Hello and hi there. So in the previous video, I had shown you how you can go ahead and create a blog post for every event that the church is going to be holding. Now in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to create a newsletter broadcast. Okay, a newsletter broadcast is, let's say you have 1 million subscribers in your database here. If you come to contacts, if you have contacts, you're going to see the contacts right here. Okay, so um, and then some of the contacts are going to be arranged by tags. So you're going to come, you're going to see one, you're going to see three, depending on the number of people that subscribe. Okay, and then you're also going to see people that unsubscribed. So this once contacts begin to come in, when you come to contacts, you would see a lot of contacts in here. All right, people's names, phone, all the information you collected from them. Okay, so what we do with the um, newsletter is we can go to the newsletter and go and send out an email to everyone in our database or to a specific group of people. Okay, so in the database we can categorize them into pastors, leaders, workers, subscribe online subscribers, first timers. We can have different categorization of people. Okay, now, after that categorization is ready, what we are talking about here particularly is how to come and send a newsletter or information to these different sets of people. So, in this example, we are going to assume that we are running an event called Wind of Visitation. Okay, so the first thing I would want to do is to go to our blog, which we are calling Power for Excellence blog, and look for that event here. This is it, Wind of Visitation. Now I'm going to come to that window of visitation. I'm going to come here, okay, and I'm going to just say view. Okay, so this is like the advert for it. This is the blog post that talks about the window of visitation. Okay, so let's even assume that maybe there was a registration place for them to register for the event, which is possible. Okay, but in this example, yeah, let's just assume that there was a place for them to register, and then this is also the link. So two things here. Number one, there's a link to this page. Number two, there's a link to register. Okay, I know that this link does not exist. We've not created any such link. However, for the purpose of examples, let's just say there was a event registration link. All right. So what we want to do now is take that event registration link, or in another case, let's say there was no registration link, you will just take the link for this page. Okay, and then we're going to come to back to the dashboard. We're going to come to emails, and we're going to come to newsletters. So in newsletters, what you're going to do, you're not going to create from scratch. I've created a template that you're going to be working with. Okay, so this template, all you will do, you say duplicate, and you can use this template depending on the scenario. Okay, so this is called event notification. Okay, we can change it here and call this window of visitation. um, don't miss window visitation. Okay, sender name is Bishop, email is Bishop. Okay, and then we're just going to say save. Okay, save and schedule. Then we are going to come here and open this up. Okay, so now when you open this up by clicking anywhere in the email, you're going to see this. Now all of this is already done, so your work is just to change. First of all, you're going to change the text to what you want it to say. Okay, click inside, add what you want to add, delete what you want to delete. Okay, hope you're doing well, and hope your week went exceptionally good by the grace of our Lord Jesus Christ. Okay, here is our special invitation to the Wind of Visitation event that is taking place at Gloryland. Okay, now like I said, all of this is up to you what you want to say. Remember, this is a duplicate that I duplicated. So don't miss it for anything. The days and the time of the event can be found on the flyer below. So now let's assume that this was another event and you wanted to change the flyer. You come click on this design, come here where you see the cloud upload icon, click there, and then if you were uploading a new image, you're just going to click here to upload that new image. Okay, go to wherever on your computer that you have that image saved. All right, let's just say this was the image I wanted to upload. I will say upload, wait a while for it while it uploads. Okay, thank you, Jesus. So now it uploads like this, and then once it uploads, you click on insert. All right, so you see it's going to insert it here. So this is an example, okay, as though you were working on a different you were working on a different event, okay. But if it was window visitation, then obviously it's going to have the window visitation design. But I just showed you how to change this banner. So you can change that banner, you can change this banner, you can even delete this banner. Let's say you don't want too much noise, you can delete this banner here, which is supposed to be like invite for Sunday service. You can delete that banner if you wanted. All right, I could even come here, let's see if this works. Yeah, and I could say, okay, I want to take this here. Let me, in case you wanted to do some more, a little bit more complex movements, you can change, take this, put bishop here, and also even this, I can now put it here, and then I'm going to come here, take this, maybe make it black. All right, just to suit the theme that we are using here. Okay, so this is how you can do some more complex, setup. Okay, good. So this is what we have now. All right, so this is the banner, and we have bishops and see you there, and then you can save the changes. Now remember, we talked about the link of the event. So let's say we said here the below the dates and the time can be found on the flyer below. Okay, click this link. Okay, by clicking this link can now take them to the blog post where you broke down, maybe explain more about the event, how to prepare for the event, special giveaways that they can expect, what you're going to give for the first 10 attendees, what is going to alter call, what is going to feature, the different sections of the event, or you want them to bring their sick loved ones, all of that story. If you do not want to put it in the email, you can just put it there. That's one. Now the other thing you can add is, okay, to register and secure a, a VIP seat in advance. Okay, click the link provided below to complete your online registration. All right, so now I can do that, and I put the link. Okay, I can now put the link, say register here. Okay, or I say click to register. All right, and then I'm going to select this, come up here to where you see this chain, click the chain, paste that link you copied. Remember the event registration link you copied earlier? You paste it there, and you click this save icon, and that is it. So that link is going to be here. Now that's one way to do it. The other way you can do this is to put the button. Okay, so we can take a button like this from the left hand side there and put the button here. Okay, and then put that registration link here, and then change the button text to click this button to register. All right, you can format the button, change the button color if you wanted to change the button color. All right, yep. Okay, maybe make the button rounded corner, rounded corner if you wanted, or maybe I just do something like this. Okay, the padding for the button, you can change that also, 40 on every side, or you can come here and say, okay, no, on the top I want 20, on the bottom I want 20. Okay, and on the side I want that and that. Good. So you can do this. All right, and the button is set up. Yeah, so button is now set up to with the link. Okay, so if they click the button in the email, and then maybe you can delete this one. If you're going to use the button, you're not going to use the link. Okay, so you get that. All right, good. So you can always change this. Like I said, click on it, come to click the upload icon, select the event. I think I have the window visitation here somewhere. Yeah, so I say set. Okay, and then you say save. So once you do all of these things, you're happy with your email, you say save. Okay, now I've done all of this for you. Now if you wanted to change all of this kind of information here, like hi, first name, first name is going to take the person's name that you have in the database and put it there. So it's going to say hi Joseph if that's the person's name. Okay. If you want to say hi Joseph Abara, for example, you come here Joseph, then you put the last name. Okay. Hi Joseph Abara. So my first name and my last name that you have on your database. Okay. So, but for the example, for most of these setups, we always use first name only. Okay. So that's it. What you need to know, and with this, you're ready to rock and roll. Okay. So once you're done with that, you click on save. And you can always look how this thing is going to appear on your mobile. Okay. You can always look at how it is going to appear on your mobile. All right. Once you do save again, you're happy with it. You say save. You say exit. Then now here is the next part. You need to select who you are going to be sending this to. Okay. So you can have and see, let's say, okay, this place where you have subscribers, let me go and change it to all subscribers. So come to contact, create a tag called all subscribers. All right. Okay. All subscribers meaning no matter, okay, actually you cannot even have, let me not say you cannot have, I can set up the automations in such a way that everybody that is added to this platform is added to this subscriber list, so that you have a subscriber list called all subscribers. So with that, you can now come back here. If I refresh this page now, all subscribers is going to appear here. So I'm going to say all subscribers. So that is going to mean that it's going to send it to everyone on our subscriber database. Now, if you wanted to remove some people, let's say you have a list of maybe guest ministers, you have a list of guest ministers that are on the database and that are inside these all subscribers, but you do not want those ministers to see it, you can now select their own tag. So you select the tag that you do not want to receive. This is the exclude. Okay, you exclude the people you don't want to see the email, you exclude them. The people you want it to go to, you select them here. So here says all subscribers, so everybody in the database is going to get it. All right, and then that's it. The next step is you're going to say save and schedule. Okay, save and schedule. Click here, save and schedule, and then now it's going to ask you to select a date and time you want this email to go out. So this is where you're going to come. Okay, sorry, click inside here, select the date. So I want this to go out on the 31st. I want it to go 8 o'clock, 8:30 p.m. Okay, it is using this 1 to 23. Okay, so 23 is 11 o'clock in the night, 11 p.m. Okay, so you select the date and time, you say apply. Okay, date and time has been selected, and then you say schedule. So when you say schedule, this mail will be scheduled, all right, to go out at 8:30. Now the challenge here right now is that there is nobody on the database, so nobody's going to get no email. All right, you can also click a send the test email maybe to Bishop to look at how it looks and give you final approval for you to send it. And then also you can do send now. Send now means that, oh, I don't want to schedule it to go tomorrow or go at a later date. I want it to go right now. So you just say send, and this email is going to go out to all the subscribers that you selected in the previous step. So I hope that is explanatory enough. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got it. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to us at CF Pro Help. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.